Hello everyone and welcome back to this tutorial. We're going to introduce Width tool, which is one of the secret weapons in Illustrator. This clever little tool gives you the power to vary line widths along any stroke. This means that you can draw a simple shape with the pen or pencil tools, then add variety to the stroke by adjusting the widths along points of your choosing. Let's jump into the Illustrator. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel for reaching to the previous lectures and click on the bell button so whenever I publish a new video, you are the first one who can watch it. Okay, at the first step, we want to select the brush tool here and I want to create a shape. Something like that. And now I select it, and from here I change the type of my brush to basic, and now I want to increase the stroke. (100) is great. Now is the time to select the width tool here in the toolbox and select these anchors, or I can add anchors here or select these ones. But I prefer to select this one at the first step. I select it and move my cursor. You can see I can change the stroke width. Very simple and easy. Now I select whole of the shape and in here change the type and in here change the profile. That's it. And now in the line segment tool category I can select the spiral tool. I select it and create a spiral. I again increase the number of the stroke to 100 and select the width tool and decrease the stroke. Very easy. And now I scale it down, something like that, and put it here. Okay, that's great. I hold the Alt key and duplicate it, rotate again, and put it here. If I zoom in here, okay, I select my shape and change the profile to this one. Okay, now again with the width tool, I increase the size of stroke. And now I select my shape, zooming out, and decrease the size of the stroke, for example to 50. And again, select my shape, width tool, and decrease and increase the size. Now I need one more here. I again select my shape, hold the Alt key, put it here and rotate it. Make sure that you fit your shape with your baseline. I select my shape and I scale it down a little again. Now it fits. You should be patient with working with the Illustrator. Okay, that's good. This is a simple shape, actually a simple floral art I created with width tool and brush tool. And you can do it in your home. That is very simple and easy.